Hi everybody. Just wanted to go ahead and go over a resource that I found to be very helpful for each of our students. It's a website called mathplayground.com, and it can help students by having instructional videos to show them how to do different things for each of the concepts that we're learning, or they can play games that are educational and help with that as well, or even just ones for fun. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what to do here. If you start out at google.com, you can go ahead and just type in mathplayground.com. This is what the home page is going to look like. Because our students are in 4th grade, we're just going to go ahead and scroll down to make sure that we are getting the content that is specific to their grade. Go ahead and click Grade 4 Games. This will be the section for the games. It's got a bunch of different topics that it can focus on. So here we've got like operations and algebraic thinking. We've got number and operations in base 10, number and operations with fractions, and so on. There's a bunch of different subjects on here. Pretty much anything that we're going to cover in the class would be covered under one of these games per se. So that's the game area right there. Another part of the website that's been extremely helpful in my experience with students is the video section right here. You could just go ahead and click Math Videos. This does not have every concept we cover, but it covers a large chunk of it. So there is step-by-step explanations for different concepts. Basically, you just click on whichever one your kiddo's struggling with. So say that we're working on division, which obviously we're not going to be working on that for our class. You would just click on it and it has these videos that they can go over. And it will go over each of the steps with a different instructor or some kind of character going over the concept. So other than that, there are a bunch of other games that are fun, different stories in this math arcade area right here. But you guys can go ahead and feel free to explore the website and reach out to me with any questions you may have. Thanks.